After a long journey across Indonesia's islands, I finally arrived in the remote whale hunting village of Lamaleran. Lamaleran is best known for its spear whaling traditions, hunting sperm whales in open boats using only harpoons. I flew my drone out to the crew of a traditional palladong, a wooden sailboat, hauling in an enormous manta ray. Moments earlier, this manta ray had been struck by a hand-thrown harpoon. Now, balanced across the deck, its wings were being removed, right in the open ocean. At the heart of every hunt is the harpooner, standing barefoot at the front of the boat. He waits for the perfect moment. When it comes, he leaps, driving the bamboo handle spear into the back of the whale, ray, or shark. Back on land, I witnessed the arrival of a whale shark that had been caught. The entire community came out to help, children and elders. Large knives came out to carve these huge pieces of meat. The beach was covered with bright white flesh. Much of the meat is preserved by drying, hung in long strips over handmade wooden racks that line the beach. It's a simple but effective method to preserve the meat. Scattered across the shore were the bones of giants, the skeletal remains of sperm whales, bleached by the sun and sea. Vertebrae were hanging from trees and used as seats.
So this is a skull of what would have been a very large sperm whale.
Visiting Lamaleran was one of the most powerful experiences of my journey through Indonesia. It was raw, real, and at times hard to watch. I may never fully understand what it means to grow up with this way of life. I don't come from their world, and for me it's hard to see these incredible ocean giants, animals that I've only ever admired in the wild, hunted and killed. But the people of Lamaleran have lived this way for over 600 years. Their connection to the sea runs deep. These hunts are not done for sport or profit, but for food.